Good morning, guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Shakay. So guys, today is Sunday and we have Emancipation Sunday, so I'm all decked out in my yellow, black and green. So yes guys, I did an eye makeup, didn't do hair because you know I'm gonna be wearing a mask. So yeah, I'll see you guys later because I have to go to church because I'm late.
Chapter 7, verse 14 to the end. Paul says that it is something that is progressive. And later on I'll talk about progression. But Paul says that at first you struggle with it. But after a while it's no longer a struggle. You are held captive. So there are times when there are some things in our life that our heart says to us, don't do. Because we were raised a particular way. Because we were guided a particular way. And so we are told we don't want to do it. Because we have a conscience. But Paul says, after a while, having done it one time, and you feel bad about doing it, there comes a time when you do it, and you don't feel nothing. So you're no longer struggling with it, but you are held captive by it. You have become a servant to it. Training to pray. After you have given thanks, break it. Say, this is my body which is broken for you. As often as you do it, you do it in remembrance of me. Like Father also after supper, he took the cup. So this cup is a new covenant in my blood. As often as you drink it, you show forth my death till I come.
That's why you're
All these other people from around there.
Yes, I see. Now, my son, back up. Want me do it again?
Hey guys.
Yellow except she.
Except she just Gaia. Hi Nash. See in that video you know. How's it doing?
We just end up.
Yeah. Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow.
Black.
Me, Shakay,
Give us
and
up.
Nash, then a yellow, so put on yellow.
No, after when I work with you. Miss, your foot upon me. Behave yourself. Get off of me. We eat half shade chicken and bread.
No, not me. I did
Wait,
not eat any.
she lie?
I did not eat any.
And she eat the biggest piece.
And I want wiping off what? Wiping off the mouth.
Exactly. What they on your mouth for your wipe off?
Exactly what is on the mouth to be wiping off?
No, me ask.
Nothing.
Why you had to wipe off it? What? Your shoes for me shoes? Make it hide. Hi guys. So Shanique is finishing the cleaning up of the kitchen. And right now I am going to make iced coffee. No, I don't have a Keurig or a coffee machine, so I'm gonna have to make this coffee in a pot. So yeah. Alright guys, so I am going to be using this Maxwell House coffee. It's an instant coffee. Hi mom. Yes, and then I'm gonna be using coffee mate, and I'm gonna be using a little bit of sugar to add a little sweetening to it. So yeah, let us do that. Good morning guys, and it is Monday. I think it's August 3rd. Yeah, I'm still at my Jamaica colors. Yeah, but I say them chicken there. Should be filming a video today, hopefully, not sure. We'll see what happens. But yes guys, we're up, made the bed, fix up the room. Now we're gonna see if we can get something to eat. Food time. Hey guys, so I just had breakfast, and yes, I am vlogging my phone right now because the camera over there, so I'm just camera pick it up. But I just want to update you guys. What am I saying? I am currently playing my Sims game and chilling. I want to do a video today, as I said earlier, but I'm not sure what's gonna happen with that because I'm gonna text the boy them and ask them if they're up for a video, because I want to do the obstacle course video. Don't know, but I'm not sure. So if that's not up on Tuesday, then I'll be up on Thursday. If not, then Saturday. Yeah. Alright guys, so if you guys have video suggestions you guys want to see me do, I do have, as I said before, I have some ideas of things I want to do. But if there's anything specific you want me to do, let me know in the comments down below guys. Yeah, let me know in the comments down below. I know persons say, y'all say you want vlogs, so I'm making sure that I make it my point of duty to always do vlogs. So every week, at least twice for the week, when I'm supposed to get one vlog, I'm gonna try. No, it's also nice battery and one of these things. Yeah, so I'm gonna make sure you guys get that. Let me know down below what y'all want, because that should be fun. Yeah.